What a view. Keep going, keep going, keep going. My goodness, Indi! This fly is working like crazy. This is unbelievable. We are going fishing.
Yeah, you hold my hand.
Let's go.
Go, quickly get.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
We're going on a boat trip. We're going to try and catch a big salmon. No, trout. Big trout. What a view. Alright, next. We've had our first glimpse of the loch. There it is. Distance. Now comes the tricky bit. No problem. We made it. Only one casualty. As soon as we arrived, the midges descended on us. I think once we get on the water we'll be okay, but anywhere there's vegetation, they tend to linger. We've got a bit of a walk down. This is why we couldn't take the car through these bits, because they do actually get a little deep. You want a hand, Indi?
Yeah.
We're heading to that little hut over there. Whoa. Where I'll leave the kids while I get the boat ready. Indi's leading the way, carrying the net. Up you go, up you go, open the door. Push it open. Okay, Jasper, you're going to hop down. Okay.
There's the door before midges come in, guys.
Hang on, folks, hang on. Let me...
Get in.
Just trying to leave my rod somewhere. Kind of secure. Let me in, let me in. Hi, hi. Head net's off.
Good morning, Jasper.
Whoa.
Good morning, Indi.
Did you have a good sleep? Okay, guys, this is where
Dad, can I have a snack?
Sure can.
Can I have snacks?
That's right. Very important to have snacks. Let's see what we've got in this bag. Ah, here we go. All right, Indi, do you want to distribute some snacks with Jasper? I'm going to go get the boat sorted. Oh, so I did have a bit of logic to why we should fish in the loch today. Jasper really wanted to go for a little boat trip. Oh, the water level has really dropped in the rivers and I'd love to catch a nice big trout. We'll see. I feel like this gives us our best chance of catching something larger. Yeah? You can come get in if you want. That's not going anywhere. So you guys going to climb in? I'll lift you in. I'd keep it on for a sec, just because I've just seen a few midges. Whoop, whoop. Okay, you guys go sit on the end there. Come on. Try and keep this bag dry if we can. I think we've got some monster fish to catch today, guys.
Dad.
Yeah, walk to the back. That's it. Oh, look, 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 big fish over there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hang on. All right, guys, let's see if we can get one. Would you like my raincoat, Indi? You want to wear it? Okay. You can take that off now, Jess. Now, guys, I need you to keep your eyes peeled for fish. This is perfect fishing conditions. And are you filming this?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, it feels big, Jasper. Wind it in, Jasper, wind it in. Other way, other way. Other way, other way, other way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Now you
Keep
do
going.
it.
No, no, you do it. This is your first fish. Catch, wind, wind, wind. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh my goodness, Jasper! You caught that all by yourself.
It's a salmon.
You caught that. Whoa, guys! Jasper, you actually caught that all by yourself. This one's going to be dinner. Well done. What? Give it a kiss. Oh, well done, you. Oh, Jasper, I'm so pleased. I'm so proud of you guys. Look at the beautiful pattern. That's a lovely fish.
I'm gonna hold it.
One fish.
Okay.
All right, we're going to catch another one.
Whoa! I think that
I'm going to start moving us around a little bit. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
Very big fish.
Also the fish.
Aren't you excited to show Mummy?
Yes, I want to say, Mummy, this.
Mummy's going to be so proud of you. And look at this gorgeous place we are. Isn't this nice? I feel like I'm in this children's ghillie. Taking them on their fishing expedition. Only let me go. Add a bit more line out. I think we're right in the middle at the moment, and I want us to kind of just zigzag slightly.
And then look at the fish.
Are you proud of your fish, Jasp?
Yes, I'm proud of my fish.
Alright guys, back to fishing, okay? We're going to row around and we're going to see if we can get another fish for dinner.
Well, it looks like it's going to fall off.
Okay, hang on. Not too much, okay. Okay guys, okay. Hang on. I'm just going to... Can you grab the net, darling? Grab the net. Grab the net. Oh my goodness, Indi, you caught one as well! Oh, was that exciting? Whoa, hello! Another beautiful fish, guys.
No, don't touch it.
Well done. Okay, I'm just going to unhook it, okay? How did that happen?
I catched a fish.
Did you say you felt it as well? You felt it tugging? Yeah, you felt a little tug and a big tug. Whoa! Two lovely fish there, guys. Really lovely fish. You don't have to kiss it. But now, I know you kissed it. That's tradition. Alright, Indi, you going to fish again? Who's going to fish?
Me!
Someone's going to catch fish. Ooh, got another one.
Oh, we're doing
Okay, I'm going to try not to lose this one.
It's
Really
coming.
fighting.
It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. Oh no, wrong one, pulled the wrong one. Let's get it. Let's see it. Oh, shot. Okay.
Yes, I got through 2 fish.
Oh, that was a bit chaos, that one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You want to see Jasper?
Carries on.
Sorry, fishy, but we need all the fish we can for dinner. Jasper, keep it out. Keep the tip down. That's it. Hold it. Jasper, this hand, hold there. Hold on tight, okay? Okay, now. Here, we're going back now, darling, don't worry. Let's see if we can get another one.
Yeah, we might have 4 fish.
Doesn't look too big. Where is he? Oh, looks like a nice little fish. A nice little fish. Let's have a look. Hello, little fish.
Giant.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I mean,
Get the head.
it's the same size.
Yeah.
So shall we keep that one? Then we've got one fish for every person.
Yeah.
Oh, this fly, Indi, is working like crazy, isn't it?
That was my friend I picked out.
Yeah, it was.
Bye.
Oh, Jasper's turn to try. Remember, just hold on to it properly and keep it out of the water. That's it, perfect. You hold it like that, darling, and just wait. There's our little fishing hut. So I think we're just going to make our way back in after a successful outing. 4 nice little trout, perfect size for the frying pan. All right, guys. Huh? Whoa. Yeah, of course. Your sleeves? Okay.
Yeah.
That sound good? We are on our way home and the midgies are out. Look, it's deep here. Isn't this heather absolutely lovely when it's in bloom?
Yes, let me just have a smell.
There's the hut we just came from. And then up we go. Guys, try and stay on the path, okay? Because there's lots of ticks. Remember? We've already had 3 ticks in this group this week.
He had the tip.
I had one, you had one.
Step, 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 step.
There you go, you won't slip now. Body's off. So we've just gone through the deer fence and you can see immediately the difference. And there's a lot of young birch trees springing up all over the place. Look who we've just spotted.
Mommy.
Are you coming to find us?
I was just going for a little walk, heading in
lovely.
your direction.
2 little dogs. Guess what we've got in the back?
What have you got?
4 trout.
Whoa! Are they big? Look, Arnie's excited to see.
Hello Arnie, hello, hello. Hello.
Did you catch a trout, Jas?
I catch most of them. Yeah, I got my brown too. Yeah, I got my
The first one.
Really?
Jasper caught the first one and the biggest one and it was a real surprise.
No.
Hello. Hi gorgeous.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Take those back and cook them for dinner. I'm just on my way into town to buy some butter for our trout and this is like a UK safari. Come on, out of the way. Oh, there we go. She moved. She gave in. Thank you. Got our 4 beautiful trout here. Look, they look absolutely fantastic. All cleaned up and ready to fry. So the plan is we are going to dust them in a little bit of flour and then fry them up in the pan. I'm just going to coat the fish in the flour. Wow, this looks fantastic. All right, so these look done. Oh, we've got a nice puff on that side. Good balsamic. Look good, don't they? Perfect. All right, so let's go sit down and let's go and eat, guys. What a lovely view to have dinner to. Jasper, who caught that fish?
Me.
We are going to sit down and enjoy this lovely meal. So I will say goodbye. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and join us on the next one. See you later. Oh my goodness, I just had to turn the camera back on. This is unbelievable. It's absolutely fantastic. It's such a gorgeous, sweet meat. It is absolutely fantastic. Anyway. Wow.